All right, I thought it would be a little bit easier for me just to give you a video tutorial. Um, we've been working on the site now for almost 9 months, and the last step is the e-shipping module. And it's returning quotes. The quotes are fine. The problem is when we do the accessories, which would be like liftgate, whether or not it's a business or residential, that is not working, and it really comes down to, is it refreshing the rates after you make the selections? And then we're also getting an error at the checkout process if you're not logged in. So for example, I'm at the site right now, and I added to the cart this shrink wrap material. I can go into the checkout process. One thing you'll notice is the API error right here. That, I believe, has to do with the fact that there is no address in here and it's trying to get a quote at the time. I'm not 100% positive. I'm sure there's a log file somewhere. I have not gotten into that. So once you enter all the information into unfortunately is not refreshing. So that's one issue. It's not refreshing once you get to that point when you enter the information, and I thought it was. One thing I can do though is add my password information in, and that should bring up a shipping quote. And so the quotes do come through. You can see that right there. The formatting's off, obviously. I'm working with Amnesty right now to get these columns back to what they used to be. I updated the site just recently, and all that formatting went away. So you can see the standard delivery methods. These are the methods that we need to have enabled. So we've got standard delivery, delivery with liftgate, home delivery with liftgate. I would prefer that drop down to be in the shipping methods here and have it only come up if we meet the amount of weight. So it would be like 120 pounds or above, I believe, is what the freight rate is. Otherwise, it would enable FedEx. But either way would be fine. We could have it down here as well. The existing developer had it as a address field, which I believe is an incorrect place to have it. So you can see right here, delivery method, standard. He had it in here. The problem with that is, if you're shipping it there every time, I guess that should be fine. So we could do it either way. So we could do it where it's sitting in the shipping area there, or we can use Amnesty's current attribute order field, which is this delivery method that I put in here myself. Either one would be fine, or if we wanted to add it up there as well. So that's basically all I've got on what we're currently doing. I'm going to send the API information over to you, as well as a login in the back end. In the back end, we've got basically what we've got set up right now. And let me make sure you can see this. You can go into stores, configuration, sales, and you can see that the e-shipping module is in here. So you've got e-shipping's rate, freight, shipping. You've got all their API information is in here. But once again, the one portion that does not work is those drop downs. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and send this stuff over to you, and hopefully this